If you're a game dev, stop spending money on tools. You might say, Matthew, then where are all these free tools at? Well, I got them right here for you. I got 40 plus free tools divided into these main categories listed right here. This is gonna be a doozy of a video, so we're gonna get right into it. But before I do, I wanted to just take 2 seconds to tell you about my game that's coming out called Prepare the Past. Prepare the Past is a Pokemon Snap plan Octopath looking game, and it's a hoot to play. If you like taking pictures of monsters while trying not to die, this is your game. There's a link to wishlist it below. It would literally mean the world to me if you did, but enough of that, let's get into it. First one on the list is Piskel. Piskel is a browser-based pixel art tool that makes it crazy easy to create and animate sprites. It's great for beginners and professionals with a simple interface and real-time previews. It also supports exporting to make GIFs and all kinds of great stuff to make prototyping crazy easy. Like I said, it's on the browser, so it's mega easy to use. Let's keep moving. Next on the list is Photopea. Photopea is basically Photoshop, but free. It is again web browser based, and you can make PSD files, all kinds of great stuff. If you wanna use a Photoshop alternative that's free, this is fantastic. Go use it today and stop spending money on Photoshop. Next on the list is LibraSprite. Again, LibraSprite is a sprite, but free. Go use it. It's insane. I wish I hadn't bought A-Sprite because I could just use LibraSprite. Literally everything that's in A-Sprite is in LibraSprite, except for like the plugins and stuff. It's amazing, and honestly, I don't even know how it's legal. Go check it out. Next is Blender. Blender, I don't even need to say anything about it, but it's a 3D modeling and animation software. Everyone uses it from indies to professionals. Again, how is something like this is free? I don't know. But go check it out if you're making a 3D game. It's insane that it's free. Go check it out. Next is GIMP. GIMP is another Photoshop alternative. It's amazing. I've used it. All of these so far I've used, and they're all amazing. GIMP is no exception. It's free. Stop spending money on Photoshop and use GIMP. It's amazing. And I got a ton of plugins, so go use it. It'd be crazy not to. Let's keep moving. Krita. Krita is a professional grade digital painting program that excels at concept art, illustrations, and just creating game assets. If you're looking to get real artsy and painty and all kinds of stuff like that, Krita is made for you. It's like a more artistic version of Photoshop or Photoshop alternative. So go check it out if you're looking to get into something like that. Next is Vector, a free browser-based vector graphic editor that allows for clean and scalable designs, making it ideal for UI elements, logos, and just really high pixel count 2D assets. It allows for cloud syncing, so you can literally access it from anywhere. Again, it is fantastic for those clean graphics. Next is Inkscape, a powerful vector graphic tool like Adobe Illustrator, great for creating, again, scalable art, UI elements, great for, game assets with precision. It's known for its precise path tool, making it great for intricate designs. Again, said like 1,000 times, UI design, great for Inkscape. Next is pixel art. I don't know if I'm saying it right. It just sounds too intuitive. But again, it's a browser-based pixel art editor with a built-in community, which is great, which makes it kind of separate from Piskel. You have a community that is behind it. You can share features, allowing for like super easy collaboration and getting inspired. It also supports mobile use, which allows you to create pixel art wherever you are. So go check it out. And I wanted to just include this for the heck of it, but A-Sprite does have a trial version which allows you to basically use it for free, but you can't save files, which is annoying. But if you are just curious about A-Sprite, there is a trial version that I just wanted to mention here. So those are all the art tools. They're all free. Go check them out and don't spend money on art tools. Next is planning tools. I use a bunch of these as well. First one is Miro. Miro is a digital whiteboard that lets you brainstorm, organize ideas, and collaborate visually with sticky notes, flowcharts, and just maps. Miro is amazing. I literally use it for my GDD. It's amazing. If you're curious about it, it's free. And it's really just fun to use collaboratively. It's awesome. Go check it out if you don't know what it is. Next is Trello. Again, I have used Trello. It's great for lists. It's great for drag and drop. You can drag and drop stuff. It's great for, collaborating in that sense too, because you can check stuff off. You can let each other know when things get done. It just feels very nice to use, and it's very clean. So there's not a lot going on, but what it does well. So go check out Trello. Next is Notion, an all-in-one workspace that combines with, note-taking, database, task management, all the wikis, efficiencies, making it a really powerful tool for designing documentation. And it just gives you structure for project pages, subpages, and just an interactive checklist. Lots of people use Notion as well. Go check it out. Next is Obsidian. Obsidian is a markdown-based note-taking app that with local storage and powerful linking features. Great for organizing interconnected game development ideas. It also supports plugins for extra customization and graph-based organization. I know, again, a lot of people really like Obsidian for their, bigger teams. Check it out if you are working on a team. It's pretty great. Next is Excel Draw, which is very cool. Kind of reminds me of Miro. It's a freehand style digital whiteboard that allows for quick sketching, for whatever it is, UI layouts or, game flow diagrams. It's literally only hindered by your imagination because you can literally draw out anything you want. And that's just the way it is. Very cool. And I have used it. I don't use it as much just because I'm not a great artist, but if you really like doodling and stuff like that, go check it out because it's very cool. It's free. It's very cool. So next is Google Keep. Again, you might be like, why is Google on here? It's just super easy to use, and a lot of people like familiar things like Google, and it's just your note-taking tool. It syncs across devices. It's great for just jotting down quick ideas. It does what it does really well, and everybody knows Google. So if you want to just use something that's kind of familiar already, go use Google Keep. It is exactly what it is. You probably know what it is. It's Google. So go check it out. Next is Monday.com. Monday.com is like your professional grade stuff. It has a free trial. It's your regular, project management tool that helps track projects, progress, assigns tasks, and manages deadlines and visual workflows and all that good stuff. I really like the deadline aspect of it because it'll remind you and stuff like that. I know there's other reminders on this list, but Monday.com is used by a lot of the professionals, and because of that, it's your professional grade stuff. Again, there's a free trial. Check it out. Maybe it's something that you'd want to get, and then if you get a bigger team, you get the larger versions. Just go check it out. Very similar to Monday is ClickUp. It's crazy customizable, and you can work with a team. It's fantastic for putting in milestones, having milestones in place, just goal-oriented stuff. ClickUp is great. Again, for teams and managing teams, fantastic. Just to keep you on schedule. A lot of these are similar, and then they have like that one little spice in there. They all have them. This one is just the milestones, keep you on track, keep that schedule in tow. Just check it out if you're wanting something like that. Next is Asana. Asana, again, is a flexible task and project management tool that allows teams and solo devs to just organize workflows with lists, timelines, and automation. Again, got deadlines and reminders, helps prevent tasks from just slipping through the cracks. I know a bunch of people that have used Asana. Actually, the place I used to work at used Asana. A lot of people like it. A lot of people use it for their projects. Go check it out if you're interested in something like that. Next is Milanote. Last one on the project side of things. Project development, project planning side of things. Milanote is a visual organization tool that lets you create mood boards, collect references, and just outline game concepts in a creative and flexible way. It's particularly useful for tracking creative direction and thematic consistency because you can create those mood boards and collect references. Like I mentioned, all of these are different. It's just how you function as a human that's going to make the difference. Which one feels the best for you? Which one allows you to work the best? Go check all these out. Pick the one that works for you because, again, they're all free. Go check them out. Next on the list is coding assistants. Coding assistants. I'm going to have some engines in here. I'm going to have all kinds of stuff. These are just designed to help you learn better. So first up is ChatGPT. ChatGPT, you know what it is. AI, whatever. It is great for just getting thoughts out. Be like, hey, can you explain this code? Can you explain it to me like I'm a 5-year-old? It will do it. Especially, I can speak from experience. I have been learning coding. It's been fantastic. Having ChatGPT there to just ask questions is fantastic. It's so great. So if you like ChatGPT, go use it. It's fantastic. Next is GitHub Copilot. Again, it's an AI-powered code completion tool that suggests entire lines or blocks of codes as you type, and it really is streamlining the development process. I think Copilot probably does a little bit better job with the actual coding. People are going to disagree with that. I have no idea. I've used it a few times. I don't really see a difference between that and ChatGPT. I'm sure there is though. But again, with the planning thing, whatever feels better to you, use it. Next is Replit. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I never have been able to say it right, but it's a browser-based coding environment with real-time collaboration, ideal for rapid prototyping and experimenting with different game mechanics. It supports, all the programming languages and is really beginner friendly. Again, a lot of these that are using AI and stuff like that, you can kind of do it however you want, but go check it out if you're interested in something like that. Next is SoloLearn. SoloLearn is actually an application you can download on your iPhone, or I'm not sure if it's on Android. It probably is, but it is just helps you with coding. You don't actually plug in your coding at all, but it actually just helps you learn coding. I have used this. It's fantastic for testing your abilities and helping you learn. And when I was in the really beginning stages of learning coding and stuff like that, it was really helpful in learning just what things mean and why they are that way. SoloLearn, again, you can download it on your devices. Go check it out. It was super helpful for me in learning coding, and I'm sure it would be helpful for you. So go check out SoloLearn. Next is Scratch. Scratch is actually an engine. It's hyper focused on the beginners of coding. The people just learning how to, program and code, and a lot of schools use Scratch. Again, you're not gonna be making Call of Duty with Scratch, but that's not what it's made for. It's made for those beginners that are trying to understand the code that they're creating. And Scratch does great at doing that. Again, it's for kids trying to learn. And if you're trying to learn, go check it out. It's free. So whatever, we're gonna keep moving. VS Code. VS Code is a free open source code editor with powerful extensions and debugging tools supporting, again, multiple programming languages. It got built-in Git integration and it's just super easy for, those debugging situations. Again, like I said, multiple times here, it's all about what you prefer, which one feels the best to you, which one that you understand the most. I can't tell you which one is necessarily better than all the others because everybody's going to use it differently, but VS Code is just another option for you if you're looking to try out one of these. So again, it's free. Go check it out. Next is CodePen. CodePen is an online coding sandbox for testing. You can share HTMLs, SCCs, and just JavaScript. It's useful for developing web-based game prototypes. It excels at experimenting with UI ideas, and it's just great for, like I said, testing applications. And if you are in the game sphere, we all start out, a lot of us start out on those web-based games. So again, CodePen is great for just testing out those things. So let's keep moving. Cursor is an AI-powered coding assistant similar to Copilot, but it has an emphasis on in-editor code generation and debugging suggestion. It works seamlessly with various programming languages and frameworks. It's great for, again, just testing your stuff, debugging. I said 1,000 times, pick which one feels the best. Next is Tab9. I've mentioned Tab9 before on here, but Tab9 is an AI-driven coding completion tool that enhances the coding speed by predicting, what you're gonna say and using, syntaxes to try to help you integrate it better. Again, this might be for your, maybe you know a little bit more about what you're trying to say, and if Tab9 suggests something, you understand it. Might not be as helpful for the beginners, but if you're looking for something to try to challenge you, check out Tab9 and you might learn a few things. Last thing on the AI assistant or just coding assistant is Codium. Codium is again a free AI powered coding assistant that suggests code completion, detects errors, and just helps with refactoring. It supports all of the coding languages and just helps you code better. Like all of these, check them out. Figure out which one works the best with you. Figure out which one you speak to the best. That's another, especially with the AI stuff. Figure out which one you can just speak to the best to help you get the help that you need. Check them all out. They're all free. They all have they're all either free or have a free trial. Check them out. Let's keep moving. Jumping to the last two sections. First one is the audio tools, all free. First one up, Audacity. I'm literally using it to record this. I use Audacity every week. Audacity is fantastic. It's super in-depth. I don't understand everything it does, but let me tell you, if you have a question, you can find it on the internet. It's literally been around for years, it is over a decade now. It just does what it does really, really well, and you can record with it. Just go check it out. It's fantastic. Next is a website, actually. It's called Zsplat. Zsplat is just a huge library of free sounds, royalty-free music. It's great for getting high-quality audio for your games. I have used it for Prepare the Past. It's great. It's super easy to use. If you're looking to get some unique sound effects, just go check it out. It's great. I've used it. It's fantastic. I don't even need to say anything else. Next is BFXR. It is a super simple yet really effective sound effect generator, commonly used for creating retro-style sounds in indie games. It's perfect for creating the chiptune sound effects that we all know and love from our past, and you can just, it's like crazy easy to use. I was checking it out while researching it, and like it just feels old, but like I don't know, it's very unique, and it's great for getting that sound effect, like I said, that we all know and love. And yeah, go check it out. Just go check it out. It's free. Next is LMMS. Again, as a free digital audio workstation. It allows you to create music, soundscapes. It's great for, you know, making soundtracks. I feel like if you're into audio, you probably know all of these, but if you're just new, these are great for checking out. It includes a variety of instruments and sound effects to experiment with, and the crazy part is that it's all free, like everything. So just go check it out. Last one on the audio list is Freesound. It is a community-driven sound sharing platform where users can, you know, upload and download royalty-free sounds and, you know, sound effects, ambient sounds. You just go in the search bar and you look for it. It's fantastic. And, you know, if you're into audio, you're probably using an amalgamation of all of these to create the sounds you want. So, try all of these out and use them in however way you want. They're free. They're free. So just go check them out. Last but not least is the video tools. The video tools. I love these. The first one up is DaVinci Resolve. If you're making videos, use DaVinci Resolve. I use DaVinci Resolve and it's pretty fantastic. I have used a bunch of different video editors in my time, and DaVinci Resolve is hands down the best. Just because you can literally do anything with it. And it actually comes with a bunch of just free tools like cool sound effects and cool animations. It's what I use for all my videos. If you're making videos, just use DaVinci Resolve because you just continue to learn stuff and it's always growing and the community is huge. I cannot say enough good things about DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is the Blender of video editing software because it's crazy that it's free, professionals use it, and just support the heck out of it. So go check it out. Next is Hit Film Express. Again, it's a free video editor with built-in VFX tools, great for creating cinematic game trailers, promotional videos. Again, like DaVinci, like DaVinci with all these tools, just figure out which one works the best for you because they're very similar in a lot of different ways, but they just all feel a little different. Similar tools, different feel. Figure out which one works the best for you. Next is CapCut. I have used CapCut before. It's a super beginner, friendly video editor. It actually uses AI and is super quick for editing clips and for social media like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever. It's crazy fast, and that's the thing with CapCut. It's crazy fast. So go use it if you're interested in creating social media videos and stuff like that. I have used it. It's pretty great. Next is Shotcut. I actually hadn't heard about it before making this video, but in my research I found it. It is again a free and open source video editor with simple interface and supports all the file formats. So if you're looking to make a YouTube short, an Instagram reel, whatever, Shotcut is gonna get you there. That's gonna get you there. A lot like the other ones I mentioned. Get a feel for it. Last one on the video tools is OBS. If you don't know what OBS is, it's just like a video recording application you can have on your computer. Again, the fact that it's free is absolutely insane. It's insane. You can do all the things that you need to do with it, and it's insane. So go check it out. So those are all the 40 main free tools. I wanted to just take a minute to just share some of the other tools where you can find free stuff. First one is the Unity Asset Store. Actually, all the stores, itch.io, Unity Asset Store, all these places have a ton of free tools that you should be taking advantage of today. I mentioned this before. Unity has a free dialogue system. I just downloaded it into my Unity project and it's completely free. And it took me like 5 seconds to implement. It's insane. And as far as like art and stuff like that, there's just so many free art tools, or not tools, but like art assets on the itch store, on the Unity store. A lot of them are pixel art, but again, they're all free. They're all completely free. So it's insane. Another place where you can get free stuff is just email lists. A lot of musicians have like a free audio pack that you can just get 10 free songs. And these guys are everywhere. Everybody wants people to hear their music and they want people to just listen to them. And they're giving away their stuff for free. You have to give them credit, but again, for free. So just if you're having trouble with audio or visual stuff, go check out the stores. Go check out, just go on, X or Instagram, type in, some musicians, and you'll find some fantastic free stuff. So that is the ultimate free tool list I have put together. It's insane. This video is like hitting the 23-minute mark. It's crazy, but go check these tools out. You don't have to spend money on tools in today's day and age. It's insane. So that's where I'm going to leave it. If you are interested in Prepare the Pass, please go wishlist it. Again, it would mean the world to me. Thank you guys for being here, and all the links will be in the description below. So go check them out. I will be back next week for another video. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you then. See you later, guys.